Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna talk about Texas, right? Because Texas was highly disrespectful this last week. Sorry, I was turning my phone off, but Texas was highly disrespectful last week. And I have some boxes, so we're gonna do my February unboxing stuff. I bought stuff I'm excited for, so excited to try. People in small business, so stay tuned. So first of all, if you know people in Texas, or if you're in Texas, I'm in Austin, Texas, and like this experience is gonna be unforgettable. Like, to experience not having power, heat, like you don't even know, like you already be tripping when you don't got Wi-Fi, but to not have power and then it's hella cold. Like, not having power is kind of okay, you know what I mean? I did that a couple times, not a couple times, but like, I don't know, in this, when there's like the rainstorm, the power goes out. So I survived those couple hours that day, whatever. But for it to be like 20 degrees in my house with no heat and no power for 10 hours, like, no te gusta. So it happened like, so Sunday night, right, we went to bed like normal. So Monday, I don't know, I kept waking up that night too. So Monday came and like I woke up like at 2 a.m. I noticed my phone wasn't charging, you know what I mean? And then I tried to go back to sleep, and then it was like 6, 7 a.m. It was still hella cold. The heater wasn't working, and then my mom texted me like the power's still out. So I go to work at 7, so I just called out for the day. I'm like, hey y'all, I don't got no power, I don't know how long this is gonna be, but if I get power, I'm gonna come back today. If not, then I can't, right? So then around 10, 11 a.m. it's still cold. So we go to a hotel for the day. It was cool because we were able to get there so fast, and like I just appreciate like what I've been doing with my life for my ability to go to the hotel, you know. And so Tuesday comes, right? Tuesday, so Monday it was snowing too. It was snowing outside, and we got to the hotel. It took us like 20 minutes to get 10 minutes normally. It was so much snow. Everybody's power was out. Target's power was out. Like everything. So we get, but the hotel, one of these hotels wasn't, which is weird. But anyways, so then we get to the hotel, and my mom, she just got an SUV. So thank God for that, because we had cars, and like the snow is like all the way like from your car, like the snow, I wouldn't have been able to drive, you know what I mean? The snow was so high that like my child fell like 2 times just walking from the house to the car, like 20 steps, right? So I don't know, all of that, it was highly disrespectful. The power's out. We went to the hotel first day. Driving in the hotel parking lot, then trying to park, we got stuck in the snow 2 times, and these people had to help push the car to get out of the snow. Like, it was an experience. We went to Target. Half the lights were out. A lot of people were there. Only 4 people were working at Target. Walmart was closed. HEB, the grocery store, was closed. Yeah, so we went to Target. We got like some microwavable food because we had a hotel with a mini kitchen, so we got microwavable food. There was a little bit of milk. I got that. I got coffee. I got some wine. You know what I mean? There wasn't barely any bread. You know, Target don't really have meat, so we didn't get nothing like that. Some guy at Target, his cart was full of all those little pizzas, the pizza microwave pizzas. I was anyways, so yeah, so my house was out of power from like Monday morning at 2 a.m. until Friday around 8 or 9 a.m. and thank goodness I had the ring light because I wasn't staying there. I was staying at my daycare center, right? And so thank goodness I had the ring light, because then the Ring doorbell, so when I get notifications, like I got a notification that morning, and that's how I knew that like my services were working again. So that was cool. And then after that, so we came back home, and then the water heater was broken. I didn't know the water heater, there was nowhere to buy water heaters for a while. So Friday to Tuesday or Wednesday, we didn't have hot water. The whole state was on a water boil. Like, you had to boil your water to use it. People were boiling water to melt. Like, people were boiling snow to have water to flush a toilet. Like, it was horrible. I wish that on nobody. I pray that Texas pays whatever to fix their electric systems, because I wouldn't want that to happen again to my Texas families, you know. Just trying to survive was horrible. I got in an accident. I didn't even think, I don't want to say it sound like bad, like we're good. Someone hit us because they were driving on the snow and the ice, and their truck like slid. He couldn't stop, so the truck slid and hit the back of my mom's car. We're good though, you know. But anyways, yeah, that's over, right? Let's do this unboxing. I'm so excited. Let's start with this one. It's by Nails Are Life. You know those like nail stickers that you get? Let me show you one. These ones are super cute for St. Patrick's Day. Super cute, right? Here's her card. The instructions, right? So I bought these nails for like a slumber party, right? They're so cute. And I bought a bunch. Like, I got these ghosts for Halloween, so cute. I got Minnie Mouse, so cute. I got this one. Got toes for your toes. 2 big packs, right? Because I was gonna go to a slumber party. So like, and these were all like $2 to $3 each. So I spent like $100. I bought these purple ones. But I'm just saying, like, it's a really good deal. Here's glitter. Like, for someone who doesn't do their nails, like doesn't want to wear nails but still wants to be cute and not have nothing long, you put these on your nails. They're nail stickers. They last like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, really. They don't really come off. I have some on my toe right now. I might show y'all. I have some on my toe right now. They don't really come off. You know, they can last for a while. And you can mix and match. Like if you buy a bunch, you can like mix and match. Look at these ones. I'm just showing y'all the cutest ones. Look, this one's got little dinosaurs for the kiddos. If you like purple. Little mermaids. So she has kids, adults, hands, and foots. So I have tons. So definitely check her out. They're like $2 to $3 each. I had opened these already because I needed to try it out. But yeah, I got this from Lash Bash Beauty. It came like this. So I got some lip glosses. What else did I get? I think I got a soap. Right? I think that's like a turmeric soap. Oh, I got a lip gloss base. I don't remember what kind I got. Let me see. And then I got a body butter. It's cute. So here's the body butter. It's pretty. It smells good too. Like a little compass thing. Enjoy the little things. Tag us. Your order made our day. So I got a marshmallow puff, body butter, the lip gloss base, 4 lip glosses, and African black soap turmeric face wash. It says sample. It's big for a sample. It's really big. I don't know how much I paid, but here's my order. And the lip glosses are pretty big too. Cute. Alright. So yeah, I'm excited for this. I bought the lip gloss base, right, for my business. So hopefully I'll be selling lip gloss soon, probably this summer. So go shop with her if you liked what I got. Butter me soft. I opened the box. It looks like this. It smells good. So she gave me some tea, chamomile tea. Oh, I remember this. It's a little bath bomb. So this is a bubble bath bar. I'm excited. I got that, and then I also got bath crumbs. Mr. Feel Good Bath Crumble. I'm excited. And then I got um caramel macchiato. It's the whipped sugar scrub. It smells just like coffee. Whew, I'm excited. And she sent me a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Cute. Definitely shop with her if you're a baths person, treat yourself type of person. I'm excited. Let me see. Thank you so much, Camber. Enjoy, Marquita. It smells so like herbally. Yeah, like so soothing. I'm so excited. Like, I'm about to be hella relaxed with this. I'm gonna save this for a stressful day. A real stressful day. And really, you don't have to use the whole thing. You just sprinkle a little bit. It'll turn the water blue or green and be good. And with the bath bar too, people like to chop it up and use a little bit at a time. It's kind of like a bath bomb, but a little bit different and softer. The next one is from Ivy Rose Cosmetics. I found her on TikTok. She's one of my new TikTok friends, so I wanted to support. So I got this little box. It has the product card. I got the facial serum, a rose facial serum. This little box is so cute. You see? It was just in there. That's cute. Okay, let me minimize hyperpigmentation, helps reduce acne and scarring, brighten skin. Ooh. Oh, and she put like little rose petals in there. That's cute. And then I got this bag. This bag's cute. And it's different than the shiny one. I got the 4 lip glosses. 4 lip glosses. Right. I really like this one because it has gold flecks in it. Can you see that? I hope so. But it has gold flecks. So I had to get this one. I just wish like the people who do the lip glosses put like the name of the lip gloss on it. And not just their name. Because then I don't know what I'd be using, you know? So I got that. And then I got a lip scrub. I think it's peach. And it's cute. And this little diamond thing. It's perfect for a sample. So cute. Thank you. Tag us. Sure will. Check out Ivy Rose Cosmetics. It's from Chelsea. Okay, Chelsea got the bracelets. These little baggies. A Leo and a Taurus. A Leo and a Taurus for me and my daughter. 2 scrunchies. This one's sparkly. I like the crown. Then I also got these earrings. Hopefully my daughter wears them. I got a waist bead bracelet. I mean a waist bead. Right. So then I got these bracelet sets. So check her out. I'm so excited. Alright, so that was all from the Chelsea Boutique. I mostly got stuff for my daughter. Hopefully she likes it and don't breaks it. And yeah. Hopefully y'all like it too. Okay. This one, if you know, you know. You don't know. Let me introduce y'all to Mel Fit. This is my first purchase from her. She's a black woman fitness clothing boutique. So she had the pink collection. I was trying to get all the pieces, but it didn't work out. So this is her card. So I got the bra and the leggings. Mel Fit pink out light bra in the back. That's cute. So this is the bra. And then the back, it has the Mel Fit and the tag. Cute, right? And it has like the mesh on the inside, so it's like breathable. So I'm excited. And then I got the pants. Ooh. So it has Mel Fit on the back. It has like this big band, so it's extra like supportive. It has a pocket, you know. I'm excited. I'm gonna wear these tomorrow. You know, you buy stuff to like convince you to do what you really want to do in life, like planners to work, workout clothes to lose weight, get fit. So definitely gonna wear this tomorrow. She had a jacket, but they didn't have it in my size, so I couldn't get it. But she has new stuff coming out all the time, so definitely check her out. And yeah, she's on Instagram, so I'll put her stuff there. Now my last box, I was excited about this too. Natural Grow hair products. So when it comes, it just has like a tissue. So these people I got also on Etsy. It's a moisturizing leave-in conditioner spray. I want to try it right now. And then a mango and coconut water moisture rich deep conditioner. I can't really smell the, I can smell a little bit. I think I'm congested because it's Texas weather. So I'm so excited. It looks really nice. Everything's handmade with them, hand shipped, you know. So they're a pretty big business though. They're not like big. And then I got my order receipt. So I'm excited to try them, you know, try my hair products. I love supporting local businesses, small businesses, black owned businesses, women businesses, you know, all of us, because we're all trying to make it and I want all of us to win. So if you made it to the end of this video, give me a thumbs up, drop a black heart, make sure you subscribe. If you have your own business where you want me to shop with you, go ahead and leave your stuff in the comment section. And thank y'all so much for watching this video. Pray for us Texas folks right now, because that storm was disrespectful. And until my next video, y'all, peace.